I got very exciting video today. Welcome to CJ DIY. I am C. HTVRONT sent me this new auto tumbler heat press to review it and to give you my honest opinion. So I open up the box and I really love this beautiful color, and it's so easy to work with. It's coming with booklet and it's easy guiding you and showing you what you need to do. Also, it's coming with heat resistant tape and heat resistant gloves. Now I'm going to be using this 9.25 by 8 inches tumbler. I purchased those at Amazon. They came as an 8 set. They came with the lid, straw, and this silicone pad on the bottom that we can add later on. And now I purchased those sublimating sheets also from Amazon, since I don't have a sublimation printer. If you have a sublimation printer, it's gonna be perfect to print your own designs. Also, if you have it and if you want more designs, you can email me. I can send you. I got my own sublimation copies. Now I'm gonna try to work on the first one. I'm gonna cut off the edges, those white edges, and I'm gonna add them on my tumbler. Before I add sublimating sheet, I wanted to clean off my tumbler with the alcohol, so I'm going with a towel and make sure it's nice and clean. And now I'm ready to add my sublimating sheet together with this resistant heat tape. So I'm adding a tape on the edge and I'm gonna roll it around the tumbler. I grab the booklet to make sure that I know what I'm doing. I turn on the power and you have the adjustable heat settings. Freely adjust the temperature and the time. So for the tumbler, it's showing on the booklet to use it between 390 degrees and up. And for the time, it says to go to 480 seconds. And I believe you can go just for 180 seconds and it's gonna work perfect. Now, when it's ready, while it's warming up my heat press, I'm gonna cover it with a parchment paper, but I don't think that's necessary. I think just the sublimation sheet is gonna work perfect. And now I'm just gonna slide it inside of my press. And one click to let your creativity shine. It is ideal for designing one-of-a-kind gifts for family and friends on holidays or everyday, anniversary, festivals, birthdays, any other special occasions, or you can use it for resales. So now when my tumbler is ready, I'm gonna put it on the side to cool off a little bit, and then after that you gotta make sure you got your gloves on because it's super hot. You don't want to burn yourself. I'm gonna let it cool off, and now when it's cool, I'm just gonna remove the sublimation sheet and look at this beautiful transfer. I want to do this all day long. On the bottom on my tumbler, I'm gonna add my silicone pad and I'm gonna add my lid, and this tumbler is ready to go. Such a beautiful look. I'm gonna do another one just to show you different designs. It's very easy. You just make sure that your sublimation sheet is very tight around the tumbler with the tape that you're gonna add, and simple as that. After a few minutes later, you got a beautiful design on your tumblers. Also, you can use it on mugs. This machine intelligently shuts down after 15 minutes of inactivity, ensuring the safety of each user. And then additionally, the emergency stop function provides extra protection from accidents. The memory mode is tailored for handling massive projects efficiently, while the faster, more even, and stable heating capabilities of the auto tumbler enhance the overall crafting experience. Longer and broader, fancy dreamer. Portable, fashionable, colorful, and cheerful. And look at all those beautiful designs that I made. I really love those with the butterflies. It's such a beautiful look for spring and summer, and you give it as a gift to your loved ones so they can drink their beverages in those tumblers, and they always gonna remember you by them. And here I'm gonna show you how many I made. I made a couple of them, and look at all those beautiful design. Tell me which one is your favorite. I love all of them. I can use them all week long with a different design. What do you think? All the links from the HTVRONT, and I'm also affiliate. If you like to purchase it, there is special discount for it. You can see that in my description box. Also, where I purchased the mugs, the tumblers, and the sublimation sheets, I have all the links in the description box. And here is an idea. Also, those gift boxes came together with the tumblers. In the middle, I'm just tying it with a bow, and perfect gift. Now, those mug sets was also sent to me from HTVRONT. They came as a 6-pack, and I'm gonna try the press with the mugs and see how that's gonna work. I cut off the designs that I like to be transferred on my mugs, and simply I'm just gluing them in front of my mug where I want it to be positioned. I added 4 to 5 lines of this resistant tape and make sure my transfer is nice and smooth, and now it's ready to transfer it. I leave the same temperature as I did for my tumblers, 390 degrees and 480 seconds, and I just click the green button when it was ready, and you're gonna see how beautiful it's gonna come out. And this appealing and compact tumbler heat press perfectly complements the artistic taste of DIY enthusiasts. Designed with aesthetics in mind, every moment of handcrafting becomes a delightful experience. And me, as a DIYer, I highly recommend, and this is my honest opinion. You know, on my channel, I don't do a lot of sponsorship, but this one, I always choose the one that I really like, and this one I really highly recommend. And look at this beautiful transformation on my mugs. I really love how it came out. I made another one to show you, but I also made the whole set. You're gonna see at the end because it's such a great set as a gift as well. You can find also mugs like this at Dollar Tree, and you do your sublimating design on all of them. And this one was all over with butterflies and flowers. I could have used it on one of my tumblers, but I decided to go on my mug just to see how my mug is gonna be covered with all those beautiful design, and I am impressed. I really love how it came out. Also, you can use any kind of design for your husbands, your brothers, your cousins. I mean, any kind of designs that you like and you have for your own taste. And here are all my mugs that I made, and look at this beautiful springish, summerish look with those lilacs and flowers and butterflies. I am impressed. And here is an idea. You're gonna have one of those boxes, gift boxes. You're gonna add those shredded papers purchased from Dollar Tree for gifts, and you're gonna put 2 packages inside of your box, and you're gonna have a perfect gift idea for upcoming Easter, and you give it to one of your loved ones, and you're not gonna spend a lot for that. You're gonna add 1 mug and any kind of sweets that you have or you purchase from Dollar Tree. You can add some lollipops. I got that bunny as a decorative piece. You have some peanut butter chocolate. I believe 3 chocolates is enough for morning, lunch, and dinner, right? Don't add more chocolates than that. But I still think it's super cute, and you're gonna make somebody smile when you give them this box. You can give them 2 bags of peppermint tea. This is one of my favorite tea. If they like to drink coffee, you can add some cups for coffee to make themselves a coffee. You can add that egg candle, and here you go. Perfect look. Also, you're gonna make a cute bow, tie it on the handle of your mug just as a decorative piece. And voila, what a beautiful gift. I always want to make such a beautiful gifts, and I wanted to give them away because that makes me so happy and satisfied, the way that I'm gonna package them and make them look so beautiful and unique, and I'm gonna give some smile to somebody and cheer their day. Here is another gift idea, one of those mugs. You adding this beautiful pink shredded paper and you add some candies from Dollar Tree. I also added another fuzzy bunny on top as a decorative piece. I added some lollipops, some chocolate, tea, and I wrap it in these cellophane bags from Dollar Tree. I made a cute bow, and look at this beautiful gift. Or if you want to make a whole set of them, here is an idea. Add it in a super cute box with a shredded paper and you have $1 million look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe. And if you like this heat press, the links are in my description box. And until next time, my darlings, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. Bye bye.